I'm Judy with My Crazy Adventures. My crazy adventure this week is going to Africa on Sunday. I'm going with a group to build classrooms, and as a result, our carry-on, our checked baggage is going to be filled with all sorts of goodies to bring to the kids there and leave at the school. And so as a result, we need to pack most of our clothes in our carry-on baggage, which for me is quite a challenge because I'm not a carry-on girl. I check everything. I bring everything. I bring anything that I might possibly need, and I have a giant bag, but it's going to be full of soccer balls and markers and all sorts of good stuff for the kids. So as a result, I have ordered a couple products here. I've got some travel compression travel cubes to pack my gear in because I don't want things falling out of my backpack every time I open it. And I need to compress it to see how much I can get in this backpack and still be under the 22-pound limit for the airlines. So we're going to try out these travel compression cubes. These are the Gonex travel compression cubes. I've got 3 here. I've got a large one, a medium, and a small. And when you order them, they come, it's about $21 for the set of 3. And then I'm going to be trying out the Cabin Max backpack. So this is a pretty large backpack with a large open area in it. And I'm hoping to be able to get my clothes in it and my laptop and still be under the 22-pound limit. So let's get started. So let's open up the compression cube. And it's got 2 zippers, one to compress it, one just for opening. And here I have a pair of shorts, 2 pairs of pants, 2 capri pants, and 2 long skirts that I'm going to put in the large compression cube. And then I'm also going to go ahead, I've got plenty of room in here, I'm going to put in a fleece jacket, and let's see if I can get my swimming suit in there as well. Get this zipped up. So the top zipper is all zipped, and now we're going to try to compress it and see if we can get this down a little bit in size. So compression zipper starts right here. The thing I've noticed about the compression zipper is it tends to try to get stuck in the material, so be careful when you're zipping it. I found turning the cube to each side helps a little bit, and it doesn't happen until it starts getting tighter, and then it wants to get caught in the material. The zipper wants to catch the material, which it just did on me. And then it's kind of a little bit of a fight to get it out. There we go. So be careful zipping. And now it's all compressed. Looks like a giant pillow. It definitely helped get it down a little bit in size for sure. So we've got that one done. Let's take the medium-sized one. And I've got 6 shirts here that I'm going to be taking. And then I'm going to throw in my 3 exercise bras and a bunch of headbands and a bandana. So let's see if all that's going to go into this one. Yeah, that's all that's probably going. You know, I'm going to make a change and take out the headbands and the bandana. I also have 3 tech shirts, and I'm going to put those in here instead. So now we've got 9 shirts in this medium one. They are all short sleeve shirts. Give you an idea of how much is in here. So that's closed, and now we'll compress it, or try to. I guess you don't have to compress it. If it's packed pretty tight, then no need to compress it. I'm going to go ahead and move on from that one, not take up too much time trying to do that. So this one's the small one. Let's move this one over here. In the small one, I'm going to put 10 socks, 10 pairs of socks, and I've got 10 pairs of underwear. Let's see if I can get the headbands in with that as well. Yeah, that was almost too easy. I could definitely stick a little bit more in here. I think I'm going to try to get my 3 dog bras in. There we go. We'll see if we can compress it much. It's not really going to compress either. A little bit. Every little bit, I guess, helps. I got one side compressed. Otherwise, it's pretty tight. So now let's see if it's going to go into my backpack. So this backpack has a very large open area. It does have a zipper pocket that has different organizational areas, so if you're looking to, put some small stuff in here, you can do that. I'm going to be putting my backpack in here, and in this large area, I'm going to put the travel cubes. So we'll take the large travel cube and put it in there, and then the medium one doesn't quite want to fit. I'm going to move it down here to the side, and the small one. And then I'm also trying to get in a pair of water shoes, a pair of Keens, and a pair of Nikes. We're good. And now we're going to put the laptop in. So we're all in, all zipped up. I like this backpack. It's got a handle on the top so I can hold it like this. I'm going to weigh it and see if I'm under . And I am right at 20 pounds, so it is good. This was a success, and I think it's fairly organized in there, so I won't be losing any space. I think I've pretty much adequately filled it like I could. Hope this has been helpful. I hope you're off on your own crazy adventures this weekend, and check back for more info from Africa. Thanks.